Good morning, students. Now in today's lecture we are going to see the relation between angle in degree measure and radian measure, means how to convert angle into degree into radian and angle radian into degree. I think you remember I gave the idea that what is radian measure. What is radian measure? Once again I am giving the idea, after that we shall proceed. When suppose this is a circle and the origin at the center and radius of circle is r, center is o, this is OA. When this ray terminates anti-clockwise, a distance on the circle is equal to the radius, means the length of arc is r is equal to the radius. This is always radius, this point is B. Do you see? These two OA and OB are radii and AB is an arc. Length of arc is equal to the radius, means the measure of angle at the center is called 1 radian. 1 radian. Got it? Why it is 1 radian? Angle is equal to, see the formula, I think you remember, angle in radian is equal to arc upon radius is the formula. Arc upon radius. Arc is r, radius is r, r1s are r, it is 1 radian. It is 1 radian. So when in a circle where center is at origin, the ray terminates anti-clockwise and the length of arc swept is equal to the radius, then angle subtended at the center is equal to 1 radius. Got it? Now let's see how to convert the degree angle into radian. How to convert the degree angle into radian. Degree angle into radian. So radian is equal to degree into pi upon 180. Pi upon 180. It is converted into radian, and here we use the value of pi as 3.1422 by 7 and whatever, and degree angle is equal to radian into 180 upon pi. 180 upon pi. Now you know the value of pi is 22 upon 7, the value of pi is 3.14 and some more digits. Actually 3.14 or 22 upon 7 is not the exact value. Many more values are. In the opinion of some mathematician, it is said that value of pi is 355 upon 113. It gives the decimal value exact up to 6 places of decimal. 3.14 is only 2 places is accurate, and after that it is not certain. But 355 upon 113 gives the 6 decimal place, up to 6 decimal place accurate value. So for accuracy you can write 355 by 113. Suppose you don't remember this value, so I am giving one idea to learn this value. Suppose what is it means? It means ke 305 divided by 113. See, I am writing 113 divided by 355 this way. So very easy to learn. If we read the number without this sign, we have 3 consecutive odd numbers and repeating 113355. See, we have 113355. So first three digit is denominator and last 3 digit is numerator. Means the larger number is numerator and the smaller number is denominator. So this is how you can learn this, means this exact number. Got it? So today we will practice some questions of conversion, how to convert the radian into degree and degree into radian. So better we can start the exercise. One exercise we can practice, and after that we shall proceed our lecture. See, I am giving exercise 3.1, question number 1. And what is the question? Question is find the radian measure corresponding to the following degree measure. Means we have to change the degree into radian. The first part is 25 degree. So how to convert this 25 degree into radian? As I told, we write like this: radian is equal to 25 into pi upon 180. Divide this, 5 5s are 536s are. So we have 5 pi upon 36 radian. You can leave the answer in pi. You can leave the answer in terms of pi. No problem. So this is how we can convert degree into radian. If any angle is negative means that angle is measured clockwise. It means that angle is negative. So its answer will also be negative, means radian will also be negative. Or if radian is negative, its degree measure will also be negative. Like I am giving, see, second part of the question is given minus 47 degree 30 minutes. Minus 47 degree 30 minutes. See, unless we change the angle into degree, whether it is given degree, minute, second, so we must change this into degree. Unless we change into degree, we cannot change into radian. So you know that 1 minute is equal to 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. So here we have 30 minutes, means it is half degree. So this can be written as minus 47.5 degree, or you can write 95 upon minus. Now radian value minus 47.5 into pi upon 180. Reducing this minus sign, decimal here, divide this by 5. 5 9s are 45, 5 5s are 25, this is by 5, 360, 5 3s are 15, 5 3s are 30, again by 5, this is 19, and this one 5 7s are 35, 5 2s are 10. So we have 19 pi upon 72 radian. Minus is also there. So we can write this way. How to convert? Simply you can write the answer in terms of pi. In case of radian, we can write the answer in terms of pi. But when we convert radian into degree, in that case you have to put the value of pi. Here we can write the answer of radian in terms of pi, but the angle in degree cannot be written in terms of pi. So there we will write the values. So two more parts are there, third and fourth part. You will try yourself. Very simple. One is given 240 degree, another is given 520 degree. So you can convert by this formula. Now see question number 2. What is given in question number 2? Find the degree measure corresponding to the following radian measure. Use pi is equal to 2 by 7. First part is 11 upon 16. First part is 11 upon 16. And we have to change this 11 upon 16 into degree. It is radian. So we have to change this into degree. How to change? We write degree measure is equal to 11 upon 16 into 180 upon pi. 180 upon pi. And we write the value of pi as 22 upon 7. It is given in the question. If it is not given in the question, you may keep this as 3.14 if you want, or you can write 355 upon 113 as you wish. But when you are given the value, so you have to put the same value which is given. See, 11 upon 16 into 180 upon 22 upon 7. So this 7 comes here. We have 11 into 180 into 7 upon 16 into 22. 11 2s are 22. Divide this. This is 2 90s are. Divide this. 8 times 2 8s are 16. This is 45. So what we have? Finally we have 45 into 7 upon 8. Now we will multiply and divide. See, 45 into 7. 7 5s are 35. Taking 3, 7 4 28 and 3, 31 upon 8. Now we have to divide this 315 by 8. And you have to answer this question up to degree, minute and second. Let's see how to divide. Try to understand. I am going to divide. We have to divide it by 8 and this is 315. First 8 3s are 24. 8 are 24. Taking 7, 75. 8 9s are 72. This is 3. Check it. First check the multiply. It should not be wrong. 7 5 is 35. 7 4 28 and 3 31. Dividing this 7 3 is 8 3 24. Taking 7 75. 8 9 is 72. So this 3 remainder is degree. Now 3 degree cannot be divided by 8. So up to this becomes degree. Now this 3 cannot be divided. So this degree can be converted into now minute. So into 60 is equal to what? It becomes 180. Now divide this 180 by 8. So we have 8 2s are 16. See, 8 2s are 16. Taking 2 20. 8 2s are 16. Taking 4. Now this 4 cannot be divided by 8 and this is minute. This is minute. This one is minute. This one is minute. So 4 minute is left. Now change this again into second. Into 60. So it becomes 240. Now this is second. So 8 3s are 24. This goes 0 is left. 0 is left. This is second. So what is your answer? 39 degree 22 minutes and 30 seconds. So answer is 39 degree 22 minutes and 30 seconds. This is the answer of the question. This is how we convert the radian into degree. The most important thing is divide. Got it? So this was first part of the question. Let's see one more part of this and after that you can see the other one. Second part of the question is -4 radian. -4 radian. So how to change this -4? If it is negative, it remains negative. So degree measure is equal to -4 into 180 upon pi. Now write the value. -4 into 180 into 7 goes in numerator upon 22. Got it? Let's see. 11, 2 11s are, this is 2 90s are. Now multiply all these numerators. We have -4 9s are 36, 0 6 7 6 are 42, 7 are 42 and 7 are 21 and 4 25. Let's check once again the multiply. We have 4 9s are 36 into 7, 7 6 are 42 and 7 are 21 and 4 25. Right, 2520 and it is minus upon 11. Once again we have to divide this by 11. Got it? Let's see how to divide once more. I am going to divide. Don't keep minus sign. Minus sign will be written in the result. This is 2520. divided by 11. See, 11 2s are 22, taking 3, 32, 11 2s are 22, taking 10, this is 1 0, 100, 11 9s are 99, 11 9s are 99, we have 1. Check it, 11 2s are 22, taking 3, remainder 3, this 11 2s are 22, comes 10, taking this 0, 11 9s are, so this 1 cannot be divided by 11, and this is degree, means we have 229 degree. Now this can be converted into minute, so this is 60 minute. Now divide 60 by 11, 11 5s are 55, 11 5s are 55, we get 5 minute, 5 minute. But again this 5 minute cannot be divided by 11, so change this into second, into 60, it becomes 300, 300. Now divide 300, 11 2s are 22, taking 8, 80, 11 7s are 77, 11 7s are 77, taking 3, again it cannot be divided, which go into decimal. See, decimal, so it 30, 11 2s are 22, so again means it cannot be divided completely, so this can be, if more than 5 after decimal, it can be converted into 28, so it's approx answer, not exact answer, we can say approx answer is 229 degree, 5 minutes and 27 seconds. 27 seconds. In some books its answer is given wrong. In some books its answer is given wrong. So this is exact answer. Exact means approx answer this much. You can write approx because it cannot be divided completely. Got it? So this was the second part of the question. Third and fourth part are same. I am doing one of the parts and remaining part, one part you will do yourself. Just I will give the clue how to solve and you will try yourself. I have solved 2 of parts. So third part is given 3 pi upon 3. Sorry, 5 pi by 3. 5 pi by 3. And when you change into degree, so what is this? 5 pi by 3 into 180 upon pi. This pi and pi will go. 3 6 are 18, 6 5 are 30. 300 degree is the answer. Pi and pi cancelled. So no need to keep the value of pi. So this is third part. Fourth part is same. Fourth part is same as third part. So I think you can do it. Got it? Let's see one more question. Question number 3. I am reading the question. A wheel makes 360 revolution in 1 minute. Through how many radians does it turns in 1 second? What is given? 360 revolution in 1 minute. See, number of revolutions in time is given in 1 minute is 360. 1 minute means 60 seconds. So in 60 seconds 300 So number of revolutions in 1 second will be 360 upon 60. This will go 6 number of revolution 6. Now we have to change this into radian. It is not 6 radian, this is 6 revolution. Now this can be your answer in radian. Got it? So some more questions are there. We shall see the other questions next day, or you can try the other questions given in the book. If any doubt you may ask. In my next lecture I shall solve some other questions and we shall see some more identical and formula of trigonometry and its graph, because the chapter of the name of the chapter is trigonometric function. So since it is function, so we can plot the graph, and if we can plot the graph, then it will have some domain and range. So finally we will find the domain and range of trigonometric function. Got it? Till then, thank you very much. God bless you.